In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background blur in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, we need to open Figma. If you're using the desktop application, go ahead and launch it. Alternatively, if you prefer your web browser, just navigate to the Figma website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to choose your project. If you look over at your dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Click on the one that you wish to edit. If you've recently worked on a file, you can also select it from the Recent Files list. With your project open, it's time to choose the layer you want to work on. This could be a shape, an image, or even a frame. Simply locate the specific layer in your project and give it a click. After selecting your layer, you should see the right sidebar appear. This sidebar contains the properties of your layer, and if it's not visible, just click on the Design tab located at the top of that sidebar to bring it up. Now, scroll down until you find the Effects section. This is where the magic happens. When you get to the Effects area, look for the plus icon next to the Effects label and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu showing different types of effects that you can apply to your layer. From that drop-down, select Background Blur. Just like that, a background blur effect will be instantly applied to your selected layer. Now this is where the fun begins. Directly beneath the Effects section, you'll see some options to adjust your background blur. You have a slider for the blur, which allows you to control the intensity of the blur effect. If you want to give it a specific color overlay, click on the color box to change the tint. Also, you can adjust the opacity of the blur effect using another slider. As you play around with these settings, take a moment to observe your design. You'll see how the background blur changes the look and feel of your layer in real time. It's a great way to enhance your design. If you want to apply a similar blur effect to additional layers, just repeat the process from steps 3 through 9. It's quick and easy. And for the sake of keeping your project organized, you might want to rename the layers that have the blur effect. Simply select the layer in the Layers panel, double-click on its name, and rename it to something that makes sense to you. Now, once you're satisfied with all of your adjustments, it's crucial to remember to save your work. Click File in the top left corner and select Save, or you can just hit that Save icon if you see it. For those of you who ultimately need to export your design, it's simple. Click on the layer or frame you want to export. Find the Export section in the right sidebar and click Export Layer Frame Name. Follow the prompts and you'll have your design downloaded in no time. Before you exit Figma, take a moment to review the changes you've made. Make sure that the background blur effect is just how you want it. And when you're done, simply click the X on the File tab at the top left to close your file or continue to work on other projects. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.